Today we are going to deal with an important part of your language syllabus. This is proposal writing. This is a compulsory question and it carries 10 marks. You have it in class 11 and then you have it again in class 12. Now this proposal follows a certain format which will be discussed in the next uh, slide. Now, what does a proposal mean? A proposal literally means a plan or a suggestion. If you check all the test papers given in your workbook, you will find that it is question 2B in each one of the papers. In order to understand the format, let us begin by understanding the word proposal. The word proposal literally means a suggestion or making an offer. Here, when you write a proposal in class 11, it is to do with writing a plan that is to be put forward for consideration so that appropriate action can be taken to implement or execute the plan. The format of a proposal can be best understood if we break it up into what, why, and how. As you can see on the screen, the heading is the what. Heading is what you propose to do. What do you want to do? That is where you will write your heading. The second part of the format, the objectives. Why do you want to execute the plan? The idea that you have in mind, why do you want to execute it? Why do you want to bring it into action? What will you achieve by it? What is your aim? You have to mention 2 points here. Then the third part of the format is the list of measures, which is to do with the how. How will you successfully achieve your objectives? How will you execute your idea in a step-by-step manner? You have to write a minimum of 4 points here. Then you have the concluding line, which is, say, 2 sentences where you sum up your entire proposal. Here you will understand how you are given marks out of 10 in your proposal. What is examined? What is the examiner looking for in your proposal? Number one, your grammatical skills. You have to be absolutely correct in your grammar and spellings. Number two, your direction of thought. How well you comprehend the question. The question is given to you. You need to understand the question very well and then write down the proposal, the suggestions accordingly. Number three, creative thinking. Whatever your list of measures are, you need to be very sure that your ideas are organized in your mind and you have a systematic way of planning and execution. Next, your ability to systematically plan and organize an event. There will be questions like you are, as the school captain of your school, you have to organize a fete for Children's Day. So that is an event that you're supposed to organize. Now, how will you systematically plan and organize such an event? So your line of thought should be clearly visible in your proposal. Then next will be your ability to foresee and align requirements. You will need certain things for organizing a fair. So where will you source them from? Where will you get them from? All that will be examined in the proposal.